So, what is the goal in sales? The goal in sales is to go find opportunities and convert a certain percentage of those opportunities into a mutually beneficial relationship that allows us to live our lives and sustain our lives and thrive while also providing value to the other person. This is why we are all selling to make money and to provide value. So, when we went to Melinda, we said, what is the most valuable thing that you can do? And she said, well, as a real estate agent, it's probably going to be expired listings because they were working with an agent, something happened, things fell apart, they did not sell their home. And she has the diligence and the information to determine why this did not occur, why the sale didn't take place, and why potentially this homeowner is disgruntled about the fact that a transaction did not occur. So she was very intelligent and she started putting all these pieces together. She found the leads, she got a CRM, she created a video, she started to figure out her copywriting. She created this grid of all these different platforms. And when I saw what she was doing, I was like, wow, I was like, your endurance, your perseverance is unbelievable. You have unbelievable tenacity to go and, frankly, put your credit card on all these different places, spend all this time doing this. I said, I want to help you. I want to streamline this. So I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you how this basically got from soup to nuts, A to Z, finding leads, sending emails, getting bookings, getting clients, A to Z. Let me show this to you real quick. So, okay, so the first thing was we want to connect to our CRM. So we went through this journey, boom, green check mark, it's connected. And then we said, okay, we have this specific tag that we want to focus on. Everyone has a tag, everyone has a spreadsheet, some repository of leads for a particular effort. So let's get those organized. So it started to organize those. Green check mark, boom. Let's go ahead and do a little bit deeper of an integration. It worked through that, boom, done. Let's go ahead and connect some things. Let's go ahead and do a count of how many leads we're gonna work here, okay? Now let's go figure out what the data is on a particular subset. What is this data? Like some enrichment, some cleaning. Give us some data as to how valuable this data is. So it generated the leads. And then we said, hey, listen, do me a favor. I don't want to mess up my domain reputation. I don't want to end up in the spam folder and get ignored and get mental health issues. So sure enough, it did a verification and it figured out that 10 plus 38 emails, 38 emails were bad in some capacity. They were either risky, invalid, or there was no email on file. There was some situation that would prevent this. Folks, out of these two lists right here of 10 emails, if one of these emails is a bot, someone that marks emails as spam, a black hole, this literally could tank your domain reputation. So this is, back to my rant. When these software and then these sales and these marketing companies sell you all the dream, be really careful about that data because garbage in, garbage out. We must clean our emails before we send to them. It's really important, right? So so then it finds all the data. It gives me some really good categories as to why some of these emails were busted. It provides the risk level. Now I can determine how much risk I want to take. I just said, let's only do low risk because it's just not worth it. Let's only do valid emails. It got all that cleaned up, really happy in the process. And then now it's crafted an email. And let me tell you something, this email would take us 20 minutes to write. Your home on address was off market for 184 days. Listings about the property. It's unbelievable. How long would it take us to write an individual email just like this for hundreds, if not thousands, of high value leads that have been cleaned up in our CRM? And then I said, amazing, let's go send a test. It's send a test. I used a video, I tried without a video, and I finally got to the end and I was blown away with how good this email was. This email ended up in my inbox, and I was so impressed with this because imagine how long it would take us to have personalization at scale. Remember, humanity, technology, we are at the intersection here, folks.